Welcome to this video, where we will be discussing Tony Robbins' iconic book, Awaken the Giant Within. This best-selling book has inspired millions of people around the world to take control of their lives and unlock their full potential. In this video, we'll be summarizing the key lessons from the book and providing practical tips to help you start implementing them in your own life. Understanding emotions. Tony Robbins emphasizes the importance of understanding our emotions and how they drive our behavior. By understanding our emotions, we can learn to control them and use them to our advantage. The power of thought. Robbins explains that our thoughts shape our reality and our beliefs about ourselves and the world around us. By changing our thoughts and beliefs, we can change our lives. Taking action. Robbins stresses the importance of taking action towards our goals, even when we may be feeling fear or doubt. By taking consistent action, we can develop the habits and skills necessary to achieve our desired outcomes. Mastering your emotions. Robbins teaches how to master our emotions and develop the skills to manage them effectively. This includes techniques like visualization, reframing, and anchoring to help you overcome negative emotions and focus on positivity. Living in the moment. Robbins encourages readers to live in the moment and focus on what is happening right now, instead of worrying about the past or the future. By doing this, we can live a more fulfilling life and be more productive. Developing a growth mindset. Robbins emphasizes the importance of a growth mindset and the idea that we can always learn and grow, no matter what our age or circumstances. This can help us to overcome obstacles and achieve our goals. Building strong relationships. Robbins discusses the importance of building strong, meaningful relationships with others and how these relationships can provide us with love, support, and motivation. Focusing on your purpose. Robbins encourages readers to focus on their purpose and what truly matters to them in life. This can help us to find meaning and fulfillment in our lives and achieve our goals. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Robbins explains that our limiting beliefs can hold us back and prevent us from achieving our goals. By overcoming these beliefs, we can unlock our full potential and achieve success. Embracing change. Robbins stresses the importance of embracing change and being willing to adapt to new situations. By embracing change, we can stay open to new opportunities and grow as individuals. In the next chapter, Tony Robbins explores the idea of emotional states and how they shape our lives. He explains that every emotion we experience is linked to a set of beliefs we hold about ourselves and the world. By understanding and changing our beliefs, we can change our emotional state and achieve greater happiness and success. Tony Robbins also delves into the importance of making decisions and taking action. He argues that the key to unlocking our full potential is to make decisions quickly and act on them with determination. This can be difficult for some people who are afraid of failure, but Tony encourages us to embrace the risk and take control of our lives. In The Driving Force, Tony Robbins explains the power of having a clear purpose in life. He explains that having a clear sense of purpose gives us the energy and motivation to overcome obstacles and achieve our goals. This chapter also covers the importance of setting clear and achievable goals, as well as developing a plan for achieving them. Another key aspect of Awaken the Giant Within is the importance of taking control of our thoughts and emotions. Tony Robbins stresses the importance of managing our thoughts and avoiding negative self-talk, which can hold us back from reaching our full potential. He also explains how to use visualization and affirmations to create a positive mindset and achieve our goals. The book also covers the topic of relationships and how they impact our lives. Tony Robbins explains the importance of having strong, positive relationships with others, as well as how to identify and overcome relationship challenges. He also explores the role of communication in building strong relationships and offers tips for improving our communication skills. In The Power of Physiology, Tony Robbins explains how our physical state can impact our emotional state. He argues that by changing our body language and posture, we can instantly change our emotional state and improve our outlook on life. He also covers the importance of exercise and physical activity in maintaining good health and a positive mindset. Another key topic in Awaken the Giant Within is the power of personal finance. Tony Robbins explains how to take control of our finances and achieve financial freedom, including how to save and invest wisely. He also covers the importance of creating a budget and living within our means, as well as avoiding debt and financial pitfalls. In The 7 Keys to Wealth, Tony Robbins outlines his 7 key principles for achieving financial success. He covers topics such as developing a positive money mindset, understanding the power of compounding, and investing in assets that appreciate in value. He also encourages readers to seek out mentors and educational resources to help them achieve their financial goals. The final chapters of the book focus on developing a lifelong growth mindset. Tony Robbins explains how to continuously grow and develop as a person, both professionally and personally. He covers the importance of learning new skills, seeking new experiences, and setting new goals. In Awaken the Giant Within, Tony Robbins provides a comprehensive roadmap for personal growth and success. From managing our emotions and relationships, to taking control of our finances and personal growth, he covers a wide range of topics that are essential for achieving a fulfilling life. Tony Robbins also emphasizes the importance of taking responsibility for our lives and not blaming others for our problems. He encourages readers to take control of their lives and take action to make the changes they want to see. Throughout the book, Tony Robbins provides practical tips and exercises to help readers apply the principles he covers. He encourages readers to take the time to reflect on their lives and identify areas they want to improve, and then provides actionable steps to help them achieve their goals. In conclusion, Awaken the Giant Within by Tony Robbins is a powerful guide for personal growth and development. The book teaches readers how to take control of their lives and achieve their goals by harnessing the power of their minds and emotions. By following Tony's teachings, anyone can awaken the giant within and live a life filled with happiness, success, and fulfillment. The book is packed with practical advice and real-life stories that make the concepts easy to understand and apply. Whether you're looking to improve your finances, relationships, health, or overall happiness, this book provides the tools and strategies you need to succeed. So, if you're ready to take your life to the next level, pick up a copy of Awaken the Giant Within today and start your journey to personal growth and success. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal development and growth.